Greetings, Slackers. September Man back here with some more. This particular junkyard did not have what I was looking for. But on a side note, it stopped raining for a minute. I'm looking, but I'm not really seeing what I'm looking for, so I'm going to end up taking off. But this is an interesting date idea, you know. See if your girl is really down with you. Bring it to the junkyard. This is a great place to, look at this. Hold on, let me try to clear my lens here because it's blurry. Okay, let's see, does that help? Ah, that does help. All right, much better. So, yeah, junkyard. This is an excellent place for a first date. Why, you might say, September Man, is the junkyard an excellent place for a first date? There's plenty of conversation built in here. Look at all these cars. Look at all the conversations you can have about, you know, car wrecks or times you almost got pulled over. Times somebody, maybe stole a car from you or something like that. All I'm saying is that there's just plenty of conversation ammunition built into a junkyard. So if you're looking for a date and outing, bring your girl to the junkyard. And you can, show her your expertise and knowledge about cars and, be the man. Because that's what ladies need. They need a man. And men know how to fix cars. They don't just bend over and say, well, I have enough money. I'll just take it to the shop. You only take it to the shop if you don't have time. But if you can do it yourself, do it yourself. Right? Anyways, that's going to do it for this video. Thank you for tagging along in my junkyard series. I'll go to some others another time. Maybe I might find what I'm looking for, maybe not, but we'll see. This is September Man out. And I thought that was the exit. The exit is actually back this way. Bam! Alright, now we're on track.